Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm gonna watch another new SB19 vlog with you, and this is gonna be Puregold Sari-Sari store MassKaravan 2024. I'm not quite sure where this is from or what kind of show this is or for what it is. I have never heard about MassKaravan. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. MassKaravan. And I mean, it's gonna be a fun video for sure, as per usual, because I mean, we are talking here about SB19. They always deliver the funniest things, even though it can be serious, but like they have approach to that. Anyways, you'll stop ramble. Also, again, I have made a little merch for all of us, so take a look if you want to. And yeah, on that, let's get right in the video. City of Bacolod.
Tapos sabi niya, pag yan color yellow, sa akin na lang ha. Pagbukas ko color yellow. Yung unggoy na may ribbon. Hindi, labubo yun eh.
Also, I love that there's subtitles basically right away now. Like, it's been one day out and there's even like automatic subtitles, and that's already amazing. I feel like I haven't seen anything from SB19 in a while for some reason. Just screaming. It's so funny. They're literally just like getting ready. Oh, they're screaming Pablo. For what is this show? I don't know. Okay, Ken is still with the blonde hair. So this has been a while since it's been filmed, because he has changed his appearance again. I feel like now we just see them rehearse in whatever venue they are and where they are performing. We don't see them anymore rehearse in their studio. They're just like rehearsing where they are at the spot. I don't think they have time to go back to the studio and like rehearse it there.
Now we're here in McAllen right now, and we're gonna try chicken and LaSalle. You know what chicken and LaSalle is?
Chicken and LaSalle.
We're here in McAllen right now, so yeah. I'm here with my, with my homies. Yeah, been doing all those stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna be trying out, Kilowee.
Justin's like, what? From Stealth Spatial Pressure is like, wait. Okay, warm-ups. Aggressive. Is it already like a concert or what? Okay, that's a lot of people there. I still wanna cover this song, and I still haven't come around to do it. It's just learning the lyrics pronunciation correctly. For some reason, it's so difficult.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, and step and let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Also love that you guys are wearing t-shirts and just like vibing. Where I'm from, we have snow outside. Like I look at the outside the window, I have snow there. So this is crazy to me. Like palm trees and warmth. Only could dream of. That was a quick show. That was really laid back, I feel like. What's going on? Why they were emotional? I feel like lately in their vlogs they're not talking anymore. They just like show the stuff that happens. I mean, we have to be grateful even for that, I guess.
Okay, content natin.
A dryer behind his back. I mean, smart.
Sakto tigil-isa.
What is that? I don't recognize what it's supposed to be.
On your own, but it's
Ay, pareho kayo. Magkaiba. Nakatayo yung sa kanya. Third floor tayo lahat?
I mean, that's sweet, so gave some little presents to them.
Saan ba tayo? Doon na habang kumakain.
Mystery. Everything I feel like with like gifts and presents is a mystery these days. Like, find out what you get.
Nakuha itong little son kasi naka-diaper.
Okay, what did you get?
Nakuha mo ako yung gusto ko. Yung little son.
Little son.
Palit tayo.
He got a little son.
Ay, balik ka naman kasi na ano gusto naka-diaper? Yeah. Nakikita ko naka-diaper. Ano yung makukuha lang? Ano yung nakuha niyo? Ito sa akin yung may libro. Ito yung kay Jack.
Money is the book.
Ito yung kay Pablo.
Walang secret? Walang secret?
There's no secret.
Ito yung sasabihin ko sa isip.
Ay, meron.
Ito yung secret. May technique kasi yung pag-unbox ko. Ay, ang galing na nakikita mo yung binabasa niya. Nakikita mo yung binabasa niya.
Can't see what he's.
Ay, wala?
Okay. So a little unboxing for us from there. Takes a long time. Oh, so that makes sense. I just don't know what they are. It's like a keychain, I understand that, but like, what is the animal of sorts?
Ito kasi ang bar.
Puro kaya pop-mart.
Ito tunay na.
I mean, that's a look.
Drip yan, tunay na drip.
Grip.
Oh, he's adding his own in. Two of them on there.
Bar, bagay yan sa wardrobe. Ibang gabi na.
You guys, this was a short, sweet video. I feel like the performance part was so short this time. And at the beginning, I said, like, I feel like they don't really talk that much anymore, but at the end they did. And like, we got a little unboxing from them. I still don't know what they really are and what was the show. If you can let me know in the comments down below, really appreciate that to know actually what was going on, because I mean subtitles were there basically the whole time and they didn't really mention what this is for. Or I missed it, I don't know. But yeah, it was wholesome as usual from them. It's just still the caring vibe from each one of them, and yeah, just brotherhood still going strong, and I love to see that. So yeah, anyways guys, what do you think of this vlog? Let me know in comments down below. Than that, I will see you next one. Bye.